Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, just to take a look here at the micro level, Solana is hovering a little bit, it's hovering above support still, testing resistance again here on the micro level, but overall no change to the structure. The idea is still that a third wave could have formed the price top given the depth of the pullback, but the pullback remains corrective, so we don't have a 5-wave move down. With a 5-wave move down, things would be more bearish in the short term. A 3-wave pullback, as Elliott wave teaches us, always leaves the door open for higher, maybe even another upside extension in wave 3, or even a high B wave. But these can overshoot. So that is typically why we want to consider that B waves can extend and overshoot, which we talked about in yesterday's video. Because the price showed a 3-wave pullback, then a 3-wave rally, which either was all of wave B or just the A wave in a larger B wave. The pullback was not impulsive, and we held communicated micro support, which is what I highlighted yesterday, that it's important to monitor that micro support zone for potential reactions. The price did react there and actually bounced from it, but the bounce is only in corrective structure. So we have overlapping price action. We seem to have a rejection from the 61.8 retracement level there at $247.29. But we'll see. I mean, overall, I see this as a potential extension in wave B, which might still stretch a little bit higher, but any break below yesterday's low at $233.50, where the price reacted, followed by a break below the Tuesday low, where the price bounced from that 23.6 retracement at around $222, would confirm that this C wave to the downside is unfolding, which could target like $196 or so. This would be a temporary pullback in an overall uptrend, in my interpretation. Yeah. Now, what happens if we go higher? Well, I think it would actually look best if that C wave, now that we have a small extension of wave B, if that C wave goes a little bit higher, but that is just looking at proportions. There is no absolute need to do so. But overall, yeah, I mean, the trend is still up on the Solana chart. The short-term bearish count would be that the B wave has already topped, but then we need a break below those two levels to confirm it further, as mentioned. And we could then target $196 or so in the C wave down. Until then, yeah, I mean, of course, the price could climb higher in corrective and choppy structures, maybe even extending the third wave to the upside. Possible, even though this would be quite deep for an internal pullback in this third wave. But I mean, it might be green wave too. You know, this is all possible. As I said, it's a 3-wave pullback. If you want to entertain the idea, or if you want to trade that idea, the invalidation point is of course the $222 level, which is why I said, this is a level that needs to be broken to confirm wave C to the downside has started. So below that level, we can rule out further upside extensions in this B wave, because they would be invalidated. That's why this level is so crucial. So yeah, this is what we need to be watching for. Resistance levels, I mean, they are being respected. The price here reacted to 247.29 now, which is the 61.8 retracement. And then the next one would be 254 and 259. So this is really everything. I mean, we're moving in a range at the moment. We need a break out of the range in an impulsive fashion to the upside to indicate that something more directly bullish is going on. But don't forget about the bigger picture. Yeah, I mean, not much happened in the last few days. Overall, the trend is up, and if really this wave 4 is already unfolding, it could present an opportunity to add to positions potentially. But if this wave 4 is unfolding, it could take some time. It takes patience. We see probably a lot of choppy up and down movement even within this fourth wave. Main support is between $163 and $220. We're still in the upper boundary, in the upper section of the trend channel, And over the coming months, the price could move towards the next milestone target around $360 to $380, where several Fibonacci levels meet. Yeah, that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.